In this video, we are going to see that if we want to remove or change our channel trailer on our YouTube channel, here's how you can easily do it. So let's say that you have added your channel trailer long ago and now you want to replace it or remove it altogether. What you can do is just head over to the YouTube Studio and you click on the customization option on the left hand side. From here, you can find this home tab. From here, you can see the channel trailer for the people who haven't subscribed to. You can remove the video or change the video if you want to. So I just removed the video because for my channel, it's not really relevant. But if you want to add a channel trailer after that, you can add a section, click on the channel trailer, and then you should be able to select any video that you have uploaded. And that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.